Hello everyone, welcome to day 9 of English speaking challenge. I hope you all are trying to speak in English in your home. The only way to speak in English, you have to try to speak in English. When you try to speak in English, you will able to speak in English fluently after some time. But when you don't try to speak in English, you can't improve this. So if you want to serious, very serious, you have to start speaking in English. No matter what English you are speaking, no matter you are speaking grammatically right, doesn't matter. The real only thing is matter. You try to speak not perfect, not imperfect, whatever you have in your mind in English language, whatever you try to explain. Choose one topic and talk about on this topic in English. Don't discourage yourself and don't underestimate yourself. You are speaking wrong or right. You just speaking in English. No matter it is correct or wrong, you don't judge this. First you have to try to speak, then after that you correct. Because when you don't try to speak, you can't improve. So likewise, while I want to speak in English, then I start this journey, and I will also learn from this. So this why I will tell you. You want to speak in English, you try to speak in English. So why I am trying to speak in English, then I am able to speak in English. So you also try, you will able to speak in English. So that is the only way. So in this video, I will give you a topic, and you try to speak in English on that topic. So these are past 8 days. I will give 7 topics. The first day it was introduction video, and the past 7 days it was topic putting series. I give you one topic, you try to talk about, and I am also speak on this topic. So let's start the topic. Today's topic is how to save water. Today's topic is how to save water. So I will explain how to save water according to my perspective, and whatever you have your knowledge at your perspective, you also explain in your home. And one thing you can do. One thing you can do, that is, while you start practicing English, you can record this video in your mobile and you send me by my email. If you want to interest, I will upload this video in my channel, and others learn from this video. So if you do this, please comment below. I will give you my email ID, and you will send your recorded video about what topic I will suggest for 7 days. And today's topic is how to save water, how to purify water, how to pollution free our water. So how to save water, today's topic is. So I will discuss on this topic, and you also try whatever your knowledge have, how to save water. You will discuss in English. Try to discuss English, try to explain in English, and you will record this video. You can send me this video. So let's start. So we all know how water is important in our life, because without water we can't live in this earth. Water is one of the essential components of our human body. This human body was made 4 elements. This is earth, water, air, fire. These are 4 elements the human body is made. The most part of our body is water: earth, fire, air, and water. These 4 components, the 70% components in our body is water. It's full of water. So we want to be healthy, we want to sustain our life, so we have to save our water, because the 70% of our body is water. So when we consume fresh and pure water, then we will be healthy. Then after that we will be healthy. But when we drink polluted water, not fresh water, so after that we be fallen sick. So that's why I am trying to how to save water, because in this situation the water is too polluted. What is the reason behind this? The 2 or 3 reasons is most important to polluted the water. The water quality is too bad in this time because of 3 reasons. The first reason is plastic. The plastic bottles, the plastic components are dilute in the water because of the excessive use of plastic bottle or etc. So I will give you a solution except water, how you will purify your water. First I will discuss about the 3 main reasons to be our water declining, our water get polluted. So first thing is plastic, that polluted our water, that dilute our water and makes dilute in water the plastic, and when you consume this water, the plastic goes inside our body. So that's why is the main reason of water pollution. The second thing is excessive use of chemical fertilizer. So when farmers use chemical fertilizers in the farm, after putting the fertilizer on the soil, and then the rain come and the rainwater when touch the chemical fertilizer, they dilute the chemical fertilizer, or the farmer flogging the water on the field. That's why the chemical will dilute into the soil and water. When you put the water on the soil, the water goes inside the soil, and when we drain out the water, then we drink. We all know, we all drink drain water, we all harvest water from the soil, inside the soil. So that's why when chemical fertilizer put on the field, that's why the water will be polluted. The chemical fertilizer dilute into water, and that's why water will be polluted. And the third reason is the tree cutting. Because of the, not tree cutting, I was saying wrong. The third reason is most important reason. This is the concretization. We all are concretized everywhere. You can't see the soil, open soil. Anywhere. This is a city. These are metro cities. You can't see the open soil. They all are concretized. That's why the rainwater don't goes into the soil. That's why the water level will be decreased. So that's why we need to save our soil. What prevention, what precautions we need to do? First, we have to drink purify water. How to purify polluted water? The only way to purify is clay pot. When you use clay pot, when you store water in clay pots or clay bottles or steel bottles, when you store water in clay pots and carry water in steel bottle, don't use plastic bottles. Instead of this, you use steel bottle, copper bottle, whatever you afford. And you don't use plastic buckets. Instead of, you use clay pots. 25 liters, 30 liters, 50 liters clay pot. You go to the store and you purchase these clay pots and harvest this water on the clay pots. Clay pots will automatically purify the water. You will drink, when you drink water, water will be taste sweet and light cool. Don't you, and one thing, you don't use freezer water, that affects your health. The first thing you will precaution you need by purifying water, and the second precaution you need, don't concretize the soil, because the water level goes down because of the concretization. You used to do one thing, don't concretize the soil. Instead of this, you do your walking area fresh eats, fresh bricks. Use fresh bricks. Don't over the bricks. Don't concretize. That's help you to get rainwater inside the soil, and the water level in the earth will be increased. So this is the precautions you need, and you try to be save our soil by two precautions. Don't waste too much water and drink water by clay pot, and don't concretize the soil, because don't waste unwanted water, because without take precaution, after 20 or 30 years after that, the soil will just stings. So that's, the water will very expensive, and that's why we try to save our soil to future generation, and also for us. So that is for this video. I hope you enjoy this. This video is too long, I understood, but when you try to save your water, so then we will be happy and healthy. When you don't save water, you will not always be happy. So that is for this video. See you in the next spoken English practice video. I hope you try to explain like this, and you try to give me some videos. So that is for this video. See you in the day 10 of spoken English speaking challenge. Stay tuned, stay healthy, and goodbye.